Ja, Achim. Du. Achim, jag är kvar.
Not all week.
Oh, it wore out.
It was loose.
Yeah.
Like, it got really loose. And the small cans, I don't know if you've seen them. This area doesn't really have any. But like on Tuesday, I have a trailer park. It's like 120 stops, and they all have the small cans. So like when it grabs it, it like slides. And sometimes it catches the wheels, but sometimes it doesn't. It falls to the floor. And sometimes when they're hard to get, if it's too hard for me to get, I'll just call dispatch. I'll just call dispatch and they'll bring them a little. And if I can grab it, I'll just grab it out. It's light, but like the big ones, I drop them. Yeah,
Right, yeah.
Those fall in if you don't grip them. Yeah, all the time. Man. All the time.
We're gonna follow your route on the bike today.
On the bike?
Yeah.
Where's your bike at? Oh, nice. Let's go. Let's go, guys. It's gonna be hard to record on the bike.
I think.
Oh.